Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cafe Bonaparte. Now, I'm assuming this cocktail was named after the famous leader, Napoleon Bonaparte, but I'm not necessarily sure, so we're just going to take a guess. But regardless, obviously he liked his coffee very sweet. Now, brandy, basically a double distilled grape or fruit alcohol, is going to add a lot of flavor to the coffee and bring out some aroma. Now, if you don't have brandy, cognac works just fine. It's the same exact thing, except it comes from that specific region of France. So we're going to add in 1.5 ounces, that's our industry standard, into our coffee, which is going to be a 6 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From which we're going to garnish that with some whipped cream over top. And last but not least, always garnish your coffee drinks with a cherry. Now, this is a great cocktail to enjoy either standalone or after an elegant dinner. You're definitely going to get a little bit of warmth out of that for those winter months, and I'm sure it's going to be there to please. Hope you enjoy.